I enjoy the changing seasons, but sometimes change can feel unsettling. For Eanes ISD and most Texas school districts, this is an autumn of financial and demographic changes beyond our control. The clouds have been gathering for a while, and now the winds are blowing against us. The Texas legislature will recapture $95 million from our local property taxes this year, while state funding has been stagnant since 2019 despite rising inflation. These and other factors create a $3.3 million deficit in our current budget, projected to grow to $6.3 million in 2025-26. Declining enrollment is another reality, causing us to consider reducing costs by blending 2 elementary schools as early as next year. Further budget reductions are likely. Eanes ISD is our state's #1 ranked district and a flagship among Texas public schools. But we're now in an unprecedented season. Still, we have a vision of a better Eanes ISD, one that must adjust to these changes. That's what exemplary school districts do. Here to tell you more on behalf of our trustees is Board President James Spradley.
As Dr. Arnett said, the state's current school funding formula has put our district and many others in Texas in a very difficult budget situation. The board and administration are committed to full transparencies in discussing the budget and potential budget cuts. Contrary to social media rumors, no decisions have been made. We will hold a special budget meeting on Monday, November 11th at 6 p.m. That meeting will be held in the boardroom at the Central Administration Building and will be open to the public. It will also be live streamed and posted online within a couple of days. I know you want quick answers. You need time to understand and react to changes that may impact you personally. At the same time, we all want a full analysis of all the options before decisions are made. The board and administration and the community need to fully understand the impact of each option on our students, staff, and families. The board also wants time to listen to you, our community. Following the November 11th budget workshop, the board's goal is to provide direction by the end of January. This will allow time to take the necessary actions for the start of the 2025-26 school year. Budget cuts are not easy on anyone, including those making the decisions. At the end of the day, some people may be unhappy. I'm unhappy that the state has put us in a position to have to take these actions. I want to assure you that our goal is to keep Eanes ISD the exemplary district you and I have come to expect. I have every confidence that we will succeed. In closing, I want to once again invite you to stay engaged in these discussions. Watch for future communications on this subject and join us in person or remotely for upcoming board meetings. See you on November 11th.